Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video we are going to learn how to log cell in Excel. So this is number 4 video number. So let's get started. So in this video we can see the table which contains the salesperson and the number of month and the number of salesperson of 3 and the sum of the calculation of this January, February and March. So what we want is we want to log the cell which would provide this Excel file, and the salesperson only will change the month data, not this calculation or any other cells. So how can we do it? Just we go to this last left of the corner and then right click, and then we will go to format cells, and you can see your protection. So just click on protection tab and then tick this locked, so it is already locked, and then we will click on OK. After that this all cells are locked, but now we want to make unlock for this cells, this 9 cells which the salesperson will edit only these parts. So how can we do it? We will go to the same process and we will unlock it. So we will click on right click here and then format cells, and we will now this untick the lock button and then OK. So now this is done, but the final part is left. So I will keep the password to take this effect. So if anybody will write here, then it should uneditable. So how can we do it? We will go to this review tab and then protect sheet. We will protect by inserting the password. So for now I am writing the password 123, then OK. Again I will enter the password 123, done. So now, and I save this. Now if I want to edit this anything, you can see these cells or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change on protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So we have already write here passwords. If anybody will want to change here or anywhere, they will need passwords. So but they can edit this part. So let's try it. So I will write here 100. So now you can see this is editable, but the other parts cells are not editable because we have kept the password. So in this way you can lock the cells. So if you want to unlock all the cells, just go to the review on protect sheet and then hit the password. I will write here 123, 123, done. Now if I want to change anything, you can see it is editable because we have unprotect the sheet. So in this way you can protect or unprotect the sheet in this simple and quick way. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and you can learn Excel with free of cost. So thank you so much for watching.